Forward, march! Left, 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 right, left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, left, left. Hinto, cut! Ano to? Grab sa kanan, grab! Baba ang kamay. Men of God.
1, 2,
Men of faith.
3, 4.
Men of honor. Who do we serve?
Jesus! We serve the Lord.
When the road gets rough, what do we do?
Stand up and serve the Lord.
When the world gets dark, what do we bring?
Share His light and let us sing.
God is leading every day.
Guiding families starts all day.
God is strong. That is true.
Let's fellowship, we honor you.
Sound up.
1, 2,
Sound up.
3, 4.
Men's, what do we say?
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah!
Daming komando.
We're Christian soldier marching us to war. With the cross of Jesus going on before. Christ the royal master lead against the foe. Forward into battle, sing the battles of the Lord. Onward, Christian soldiers, marching us to war. With the cross of Jesus going on before. Stop!
Stop.
Grab sa kanan! Grab! Pasulong! Cut! Kaliwa! 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 Kanan! Kaliwa! Kanan! Kaliwa! Wa! Wa!